Hi friend, I'm back to now another video and introduce myself and I am Imdalam Islamobi and basically I am a student of Fiverr Outsourcing Institute and a Special Best Marathon. Hi friend, 2025 I'm back to now another video and introduce myself digital marketing and I am Imdalam Islamobi and is basically 24. I am a student of Fiverr Outsourcing Learning Institute and Digital Marketing is the best platform 2025. Not basically digital marketing and online platform digital market is my friend is discuss this 24 first time I am learning and I am getting and digital marketing is the best platform digital marketing is the best platform and not enough time and getting and the online platform digital market is my friend is discuss live and first time in my life last so that getting I say here the digital market is the best platform and free time and getting the earn money she is freedom and this live and another not video and in my life last so that I say bye. I am basically a student and um, nervous will end this try again another video and this so bye.